It's time for an update on how the course is going with Data Analytics Simplified, where I am learning SQL. So far, I have had 2 weekly career coaching sessions where they talk about optimizing your LinkedIn profile, your resume. I have also had 1 weekly session with the actual course of learning the SQL. But by the time that this is uploaded, I would have already had 2 sessions. So let's go ahead and get into the first impressions. And what I love the most is that in this course, you are using relatable information. So that part you're not having to think about, and you're able to just focus on learning the skill. So I wanted to point that out. And the instructor did a really good job with breaking down the information into digestible parts. So the different databases, their uses, concepts, and significance, explaining SQL main or basic commands. So the different commands that we went over were select, from, where, order by, as well as the delete, insert, update. She made it so very simple and so easy. And she showed me how to use those commands in order to retrieve, extract, and manipulate data. With that knowledge, I was able to complete my weekly coding challenge. With that coding challenge, you'll be able to use your results from that in order to put in your portfolio. I have also already done my portfolio for the first week, which the coding challenge does give you 5 questions as a challenge. And so with the results of each of those 5 questions, I was able to put it in my portfolio, which I'm going to upload to my LinkedIn as well as embed it into my resume. My overall experience for the first week is a 10 out of 10. Like I stated, the weekly career coaching sessions helped me to update my LinkedIn and my resume. And then for the actual learning of SQL, I was able to use a sample database that was very interactive. So if you've ever used like a playground database for any other type of system, basically that's the feel of it. It's very interactive and it feels very real. I also took the assessment yesterday and I passed that with 10 out of 10, 100%. So it's that simple. But yeah, so other than that, I will also have to update my resume with my certificate embedded in it. So at this point, I'm just even more motivated to go ahead and start the next module. Like I stated, we started today. And this module will basically build on the previous module, which will take you from basic to advanced SQL, learning how to master the skills for data retrieval and manipulation. And then week 3, we'll get into joins, subqueries, and aggregate functions. And then the last week, we'll get into window functions and views mastery. Like I always say, if you are interested in obtaining these skills, the January and February tiers are currently open, and you may use my affiliate links along with my code ERICA for 20% off when you secure your spot.